This is Sinomax. It's a pillow that has memory foam, a cooling system, a pillowcase that goes over the memory foam and in a sleeve, and show you what this looks like opening up the box and how it's shipped. Opening up the pillowcase, everything is well protected. We're going to open up the case one more time and allow it to expand. As you can see, it's doing right now. Let it expand for at least a couple of hours. The memory foam will expand 4+ inches. It has a wider angle on each of the sides. And this pillow is not machine washable, but the case cover alone will be machine washable. This is not machine washable once again. You're able to throw the outer shell, which is, very fluffy and all. And this is one of the pillowcases, as you can see how fluffy it is. It's got a blue rim around the edges. This is the memory foam that's going to contort to your head. As you can see, it bounces back just like that. And it has little air holes, as you can see through. Push back in and re-zipper up. Place on your favorite pillowcase cover and let's go try it out. We're going to place the pillow on the bed. You can squeeze it, shape it any way you want. It will bounce back. As we put our head on the pillow, it is soft, firm, comfortable. As we put our head to the side, they say the pillow foam and cover feels like a liquid type motion, which is very soft and comfortable and firm at the same time. If you like to have a pillow on your side, hold the pillow, rest it wherever you sit, lay, whatnot. This pillow may be right for you. It's a very, very comfortable pillow, nicely designed, and will hold up over time. And again, it's not machine washable, but the case cover alone. I hope you enjoy your pillow if this is something that you are looking for.